Hello, I'm Ashikin, a new psychologist at Nasong Setia Alam. This is my first video sharing session and I really hope dapat membantu ibu dan bapa and also anyone kat luar sana. So if you guys ada any question, boleh tulis di ruangan komen, okay? So today I want to share one topic about sign of autism. Pretty sure I believe that most of the parents dah tahulah kan like apa sign of autism, apa yang menunjukkan anak-anak mereka autism. Tapi this time I just want to summarize and also maybe elaborate a little bit about that. Okay, so first we focus on in terms of their social and communication. Bila kita cakap pasal social and communication, this is like macam main symptom yang memang akan autism ada, like autism kids or even adult ada. Okay, first is limited eye contact. Limited eye contact means there will be macam very hard for them to maintain the eye contact, even nak buat sekejap pun susah. Second, delay speech. In terms of speech, mereka akan mengalami perkembangan yang lambat lah. Dia punya delay dekat bahagian communication speech untuk berkomunikasi dengan ibu dan bapa.